Hello everyone, welcome to this section. This is Sai Krishna. In this video, I am going to show you how to handle the mouse events or mouse actions in keyboard, like mouse related operations. Today I will show you how to perform. In some applications, you have to move the mouse from one place to another place. You will get the some options. For example, once I am clicking this address field, you can see once you place the mouse on this button, it will displaying some options, right? I am not clicking on this, just placing the mouse on this option. So this type of options we have to perform using the actions class in Selenium automation. So I will click on this button using the actions class and get the all these options text. Okay, if you are using the actions class, if you perform some operations like a click or submitting something, clicking some options like selecting the options, once you click on this or select some options, you have to must use the build.perform. This both you can use completing the action in actions class. So I will take this site, copy this site. I will already write the method like class. First I will set up my browser, WebDriver of driver. I am using the Chrome browser, so I place the Chrome browser. Once you open the Chrome browser, you have to driver.get method and you can pass the site link. Once you pass the site link, you have to manage dot window dot maximize the window first. After that, we have to wait for some wait time. So driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait 30 milliseconds and provide the time unit. Okay, once you provide the time unit, we have to find the option. I am finding this option. Right click, inspect, I can use this text. Double forward slash tag open square bracket at the rate of text square brackets colon, at the end of colon close the square bracket. Okay, yeah, you can remove this at the rate of text at the rate, then it will find the that particular more option button. Okay, driver dot find element by dot export, and you can pass the export. You can store it, you can store this as in web element of more, right? You can import this web element. Okay, once you import this web element, have to write the actions class, actions of equal to new of actions, and you can pass the actions class for the input as driver. You have to pass the driver as an input for the actions class, and you have to import this actions class. org.openqa.interactions. Now we have to use the act.moveToElement method. This particular method will go through that particular method and click on that method. See, for example, if I am using this move to element, see, for example, mouse is here. By using that move to element, it will directly go through that based on the find element method. Like this, it will display the options. We are already find the more option, so it will go through the more. Then it will display all the methods, like all the buttons, whatever the inside of the more. So I will use the more dot click. Once you click on this, completing action, we must use the build and perform, compulsory. So once we click on this, so many options is there inside the more button. So I am using the list of web element of a equal to, I have to find that particular lists. So here is the you can see here is the last drop down. So already I find that double forward slash. I am using the siblings following sibling : and you can use this class Ctrl+C eval of @class equal to, like this. We have to find that, and you have to use the driver dot find elements. You can observe here, find element, it will find only one web element. Find elements, it will find the list of web elements. So have to use the find elements method. By dot xpath. We have to import this list. Java.util. Yeah, once you have to complete this, we have to use the advanced for loop for string of, sorry, you have to use the web element of s colon of a. Now we have to print the how many buttons are there inside the more option. So I am using the s dot get the text, right? Yeah, now I will run the program, save it. Go through the run option, run as Java application. First it will go to the Chrome browser and go through that automation testing site. It will maximize the window, then it will wait for 30 milliseconds. Click on more button. You can see it will go through that particular demo automation testing site, and it will load all the objects inside the page. Click on more button after loading all the web objects. See, click on the more button, and I am expecting whatever the buttons inside the more option, it will be print that. So I will close this window, and you can see whatever the buttons inside the more, we will click on this like this. So like this you can use the move to element method. By using move to element method, we can click on the that particular options, right? By using the actions class, this move to element method inside the actions class. Thank you.